Do you suffer with Meniere's disease, vertigo, ringing in your ears, chronic neck pain, chronic pain anywhere in your body, autoimmune conditions, any chronic health issue for that matter? And you're someone who's been going to the mainstream system for 10 or 15 years, and you've been given a lot of different medications which do actually help you feel better, and thank God for that. But it's time that you are looking for something that actually can help your body function better, so it'll give you your best chance to get off of the medication. Your body can actually heal through the underlying cause of what's going on in there. There's two quotes that I'd like to talk about, and then we're going to segue into the central nervous system and some of the things that you can do to help your body function better. The first one, nature needs no help, just no interference. The central nervous system, which is composed of the brain stem, which sits right here at the base of the skull, and what actually controls most of the function in your body you don't think about. And then below the brainstem, you have the spinal cord, which is a conduit. It just carries all the information from the brainstem through the cord out to the nerve tissue or the cells. So a little factoid, every cell in your body has about 1 billion chemical reactions a second. Their estimate is that we have 15 trillion cells in our body, and if you multiply 15 trillion times 1 billion, that's a lot of zeros at the other end of it. And that is directly, all of it, controlled, coordinated, modulated by the central nervous system. So if you're suffering with any of the conditions that I mentioned earlier, or any other condition that I didn't mention, if you want to do something that helps your body function better and gives us the best chance to mend, heal, and repair, so you don't have to be treating symptoms with medication, you want to know about this vertebra right here. It's called the atlas. It sits right under the skull. The head weighs 10 to 12 pounds. This bone weighs 2 ounces. And what runs through it is what's important. I mentioned it earlier. It's the brainstem, and the brainstem controls every cell in your body. And so if that vertebra is structurally locked out of position, it's going to irritate the brainstem. It's going to decrease your body's ability to function properly. And as I said earlier, one of the 15 trillion cells, or millions of them, will not work the way they're supposed to. And when they don't work the way they're supposed to, it can develop as headaches, neck pain, low energy, insomnia, vertigo, Meniere's, trigeminal neuralgia, whatever. So if you're one of these people, you're dealing with any of the things I've mentioned, and what I've said makes sense, and you're interested in looking for someone who does what we call upper cervical chiropractic, our office is located in Sarasota, Florida. We give a free consult and exam. If you're outside the Sarasota, Florida area, you can go to a website, www.uccnearme.com. There are a lot of doctors throughout the world that are listed on there that are qualified to get this upper neck corrected, to get your central nervous system to function the way God intended it to.